Hello viewers, and our bananas have begun to ripe. As you can see, these are sweet bananas, very nice bananas here. That is the first one. Then we move along again. Then we come to this other one. This is another one, doing very well here, as you can see. So we are beginning to get the fruits now, which is a good thing. And you come here again. Of course, we have a small garden here. Here we are planting what we call peas. They are doing very well, and we hope that very soon we are going to harvest this type of vegetables. We have a lot of them here, and as you can see, they are also doing very well in the farm. So here is another banana. This is a bigger one. It's doing very well, and we thank God for everything. This is a good one, and it has really done very well. So we hope that very soon we will have a good harvest. So we can still move on, or you check on my mangoes that I talked about the other time. They are still doing very well in the farm. That is one. Another one is here, and we also have another one at that end. So we have quite a number of mangoes here, and we thank God for everything. Okay, we are having another banana. This one has also done very well, and we hope that soon we will have the harvest. So we thank God for everything. We also have our pawpaws. This one is fruiting and it is doing very well, and we hope that very soon we will harvest a little or some for the family. So these are the young bananas. They are also growing, and we want to thank God for everything. There's been plenty of rain, and because of that, I think that explains the reason why we have a lot of our bananas fruiting. This is another one that has started fruiting. I think I've counted around 7 now, and there is also this other one, and it could be the last one that has started fruiting. And we are very happy about what is happening. We thank God, and we hope that things will get better. Thank you very much.